Welcome. In this video I will show you how to insert a SIM card and microSD card in DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. First of all, you have to locate the SIM card tray, which is located on the left edge of your tablet right here. As you can see, it has a tiny pinhole on the side, so we're gonna need to use a pin-like tool or opener to open the tray. By inserting the pin-like tool into this hole, push it inside, which will cause our tray to jump right out. Now we're gonna have to carefully remove it, and now we're gonna have to place both the SIM card and the SD card into the respective slots. So we're gonna have to check it from this side, so make sure that the silver side is on top, the metallic side is on top. Then place your SD card like this and your SIM card like this. Okay, now once you have placed everything inside, you're gonna have to rotate your tablet, or just tilt it from this side, and now we're gonna have to place both into this slot. Okay, and make sure that your both your SIM card and your SD card stand still. We don't want them to jump out of the tray. And now to check whether our device properly identifies both the SIM card and the SD card, we're gonna need to open settings. Now first, let's go to network and internet, select SIMs. Okay, so here we have our SIM card, therefore it identifies it. Now let's go back to settings and let's open storage. Now here in storage we should be able to see other partitions, partitions other than our device. So as you can see, we have the SIM card detected, and if you want to format your SD card, your SIM card, your SD card, if you want to format your SD card, you're gonna have to select a different partition, then tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner, select format, and then choose how you want to format the SD card and confirm once you're ready. This will also erase all your data from your SD card, but it will let you use your SD card as an additional storage for your applications and media on this tablet. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.